Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we present to you the making of a vegan rice recipe. Rice, of course, is a relishing dish for many people. And today we're going to use fresh green peas for flavoring this rice. We look forward to you to try this recipe and share with us your feedbacks. So now, let's proceed with the cooking of green peas rice. The star of today's recipe is the use of fresh green peas. Here I have peeled and cleaned them. Now let's keep it aside. Then we need to get ready with the rice as well. I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice. You can also use any type of less starchy rice. Soak the rice in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse them thoroughly and keep to drain. So our rice is also ready to use. Let's keep it aside. Next we need to prepare few ingredients before we start cooking. So here I have peeled and taken 1 medium-sized onion. Make thin slices of the onion. Also for the garnish, here I am taking fresh coriander leaves. Chop them finely. You can also go for any herbs of your choice. And now it's time to begin with the cooking. This is going to be a 1-pot recipe and I'm using a pressure cooker. And then I'm adding ghee. Now let's add few whole spices like the cloves, cardamom and cinnamon. To this, we also add minced garlic. Roast them for 1 minute. Keep roasting till the garlic turns crisp and brown in color. This helps to release more of its flavors. And next, we are going to add the sliced onion. Saute them till they become soft. It's good to keep stirring in between. And here it's time to add the star ingredient, the fresh green peas. Add them to the pressure cooker along with 1 or 2 green chilies. Stir them well and roast all together for 3 to 5 minutes. I also would like to add few cashew nuts. Then add salt for taste and some black pepper powder to enhance the flavor. Now just mix all together. And here it's time to add the main ingredient, that is the soaked rice. Add the soaked rice to the pressure cooker. Stir all the contents together. And slightly roast the rice for 2 to 3 minutes with continuous stirring. This helps to prevent the breaking of rice while cooking. We also need to measure and add the fluids required for cooking the rice. Here I am adding 1.5 cups of water and half a cup of coconut cream, which together makes about 2 cups of fluid for 1 cup of rice. You can also skip the coconut cream and replace with water. But the use of coconut cream gives an additional flavor and texture to the rice. So close the pressure cooker and cook the rice for the desired time, which depends on the quantity and the type of rice taken. And once the steam is released, let's open the cooker. It took me about 7 to 10 minutes for cooking this rice. The rice and the green peas are both perfectly cooked, and it also smells nice. Just toss in the rice gently, and let's garnish with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. This is an amazing recipe for packing your tiffin box or for serving as a lunch or dinner. So try making this vegan and healthy green peas rice recipe and serve hot and enjoy with your family and friends. I hope you're going to love this, and don't forget to share with us your feedbacks. So it's time to say goodbye. See you in our next video, and eat healthy and stay healthy.